Tired of sending links and having people miss the exact point? You copy a URL, paste it into a chat, and then they have to scroll through a whole page trying to find that one sentence you needed them to see. It is frustrating for everyone. So here is the fix. You can now highlight text on any web page and share it as a link that opens directly to that highlight. No more searching, no more confusion. All right, so here is the plan. I am going to walk you through this step by step. I will show you how to highlight any text on a web page, generate a special shareable link, and then test it out so you can see exactly how it works for the person on the receiving end. This comes from a system we use here at RenderTest to keep our communication clean and efficient, and I think you are really going to like it. For this to work, you need to be using Google Chrome, so let us start there. Go ahead and open up Chrome on your computer. It does not matter what version you have, as long as it is relatively up to date. Just launch the browser like you normally would. Now, navigate to the web page that has the text you want to share. Maybe it is a help article, a product description, or a long report. Just type in the address or find the page in your bookmarks. Get the page fully loaded so everything is ready to go. All right, once the page is open, find the specific sentence or paragraph you want to highlight. Use your mouse to click and drag over that text, just like you are selecting it to copy it. Make sure you get exactly the words you want. It will turn blue, which is your visual confirmation that it is selected. Now, here is the key part. Right-click directly on that highlighted text. A menu will pop up. In that menu, look for an option that says Copy Link to Highlight. It might be near the bottom. Go ahead and click it. You will not see any visual feedback on the page itself, but do not worry. The link is now copied to your clipboard. So now you have it. That link is ready to share. You can paste it into an email, a chat message, a document, anywhere you want. When the person you are sharing with clicks that link, the web page will open and their browser will automatically scroll right to the text you highlighted. And that text will be briefly highlighted in a bright yellow color, so they see it immediately. It is a really neat trick. Let us test this to make sure it works. Open a brand new tab in Chrome, then paste the link into the address bar and hit Enter. Watch what happens. The page loads, and just like that, it scrolls you right to the spot. The text you selected is there, highlighted for a moment. It fades away after a few seconds, but the point is made. For those of you who are curious about how this actually works, let me explain the URL structure real quick. If you look at the link you copied, you will notice a weird code at the very end. It starts with a hash symbol, then the word tilde, a colon, and then the text. That hash symbol is a fragment identifier. It tells the browser to look for a specific spot on the page, and what comes after it is a text directive. It is essentially the automated version of a search. The browser looks for that exact string of words and scrolls to it. It is very specific, which is why it works so well. Before we wrap up, I want to share a couple of tips and limitations. First, this only works in Google Chrome. If you send that link to someone using Safari or Firefox, they will get taken to the page, but the highlight will not appear. They will just see the web page as normal, so keep that in mind. Second, if the text on the page changes after you create the link, the highlight might not work correctly. For example, if the website updates the article and changes a word, the browser will not find that exact phrase, so it just loads the page normally without scrolling. It does not break the internet or anything. It just becomes a standard link. And one more thing, you can only highlight continuous text. You cannot select random words from different parts of the page and link to all of them at once. Just keep your selections simple and straightforward. And that is really all there is to it. From now on, instead of saying, scroll down to the third paragraph, you can just send one link and they will land exactly where you need them to. Give it a try in your next chat or email. I think you will find it saves a ton of time. Thanks for watching and happy sharing.